Gigi. I know. Gigi. It's okay. Gigi. Gigi. Hey, Gigi. Oh, Cindy's trying to make her feel better. It's okay, Gigi. You're gonna be okay. I know. Yeah, we have a new guest. Hey, Gigi. Gigi. It's okay. Gigi is 8 years old. 8.5 actually. She is not neutered, she's spayed. She is the mummy of Gino, Jerry and Jasmine. And we had her, she was one of our first rescue cats, but then she left and she hasn't been back for years, and now she's back and she's extremely skinny and she needs to have surgery. She needs a lot of food first though, because she's too weak to have the surgery, and that is why we caught her today. Because she's settling in. We are gonna keep her upstairs with us in our home, feeding her and giving her vitamins every day until she starts putting on more weight and is stronger for her surgery. And we're obviously gonna take her to the vet to have tests done, make sure she's healthy. Gigi. Oh, Gigi. Oh. Cindy's very excited, and Coco. Oh, Cindy. Hey, Cindy. I know you got friends. Gigi. Gigi. So cute.